Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use the SDL TRADOS, the cat tools, and how to add here a glossary. So first you have to open your project. As an example, I've chosen this project, but I didn't pay attention to the translation. I'm just gonna show you as an example. So here, while you open the project, in the top corner, which is red in the screen, here we have a very small tag, and here you have to press this one, and then you have to create the project, then next, and we will choose the first column, create. Then you can give the description for the text that you are going to do a glossary. For example, it can be in my case it can be like Slavar, it's a dictionary. Then you'll press the next. Actually, this one is optional, but in order not to be confused, you have to I highly recommend you to write it here. Then here you can choose this source language and target language. In my case, it's going to be from English to Russian language. And here we have a very extended version for the Englishes. So let me find it here. You can choose here several languages, but in my case it's going to be English, United Kingdom, which is widespread English. And then you will add the bottom at, then you are gonna see here English. Then I'm gonna choose the target language, so it's going to be Russian, as I mentioned before. Then you'll press add. Actually, here you can add other languages too, and just for fun I decided to choose the French language. Here you'll also press the line add, then next. Here you can write in this, here in the missing points, here you can write the descriptions what you are going to translate, because since it's a machine translation, sometimes it can get confused. So you can write here the descriptions. For example, I'll write here illustracja. It means that I'm going to translate some words related to that theme, but actually this one is optional. Then you'll press next. Here we have this one, and you press ready. Then then you can press here OK. So here's the text. So looking here in the terminology, it's shown that no results. So to add the term, you choose the word that you want to add to the glossary. For example, in my case, it's a word dictionary. And here in the text, it says Slovaria from Russian. Here you're gonna press the bottom of the mouse in the right side and add here above it, add the term. And here you write from English to Russian, or the language that you are going to. For example, it can be French, Korean, and etc. Here in my case, Slavari, it's in the in general context, and if we translate it by itself, it's going to be incorrect. That's why I'm fixing it to the word Slavar, and to the initial word, in the initial form. Here you can choose what's the word about it, the description. So that's all how you can add the glossaries. You can choose the several words, and here, for example, if you, after choosing it ready everything, and you press the button dictionary, it's going to show the meaning Slavar here, as you can see from the mouse.